fim de semana.
So our lips. This is our lips, guys. This is our eye. Let's put it like that. Our nose. Like that. Our hair. Okay, now let's take a picture. Yeah, guys, kind of messy, so let's do it again. So, to the guys, so let's start with the lips. So it's gonna be red. So this could be the lips. Yeah. Yeah, like that. So basically, okay. So let's take it to be safe. So guys, I just did my nose, my mouth, and my eyebrows. So let's deal with the eyes and hair. So skin. So bye. So they just did the nose and hair is finished. So we can start it. Guys, that's the reaction. So funny. So bye, guys. Love you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Guys, I love you.
You don't want to be alone. I understand.
So wait, just so I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. See that? Yeah.